Good day everyone. Welcome to this episode of our Azure Databricks series. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the essential steps to access event logs and driver logs in Azure Databricks, critical for troubleshooting and resolving issues in your cluster. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you manage your clusters more effectively. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Let's dive right in. I'm going to use the Databricks workspace. Yeah, so let's launch the workspace. Once the workspace is available, we will get into the compute cluster and we'll take it from there. Okay, I'm on the compute blade, yep, on the Databricks workspace. And now if you see here, I'm able to see like the Databricks cluster is coming online. Yeah, I've just started it. So let's click on that cluster. Yeah. And now what we'll do is like, in order to check the event log, you will need to click on the event log blade here. Yeah. And if you see here, we have all the details with regards to the Databricks cluster. Yeah. So if you see here, we have details like when was this started. Like I started around 5:22 IST. Yeah. And it is currently running, and you will get the information like who terminated that, who terminated the compute, and at what time it was terminated. For example, if you see here, around 10 September, it was terminated by this particular user. Yeah. And you have all other details. So it basically tells you whether whether the cluster is healthy, whether it is running, it is terminated. You will be able to see like when it was terminated. All those information you will be able to get from the event log. Yeah. Event logs capture information about the overall health and operational metrics of your cluster. These logs track actions like cluster creation, scaling events, node failures, and configuration changes. Every time something happens in your cluster, an event log is created, and the information is logged in here. So it is very, very critical for you in case there is an issue, and if you have to troubleshoot it, then event log is one of your go-to place. Now, if you want to get even more information, then you can go to the driver logs here. Yeah. And the information that you have, it's really, really verbose. Yeah. Personally, I haven't used this log to troubleshoot any of the issues, but yeah, if you need more details, then driver logs is definitely the place to go. Yeah, in case if you are troubleshooting the issue and you don't have the details in the event log, then looking at the driver logs is really good. Driver logs capture logs specific to the driver node in a Databricks cluster. The driver node is responsible for orchestrating and managing tasks. If there is an issue with job execution or task distribution, you will likely find relevant information in the driver logs. What I've seen is like driver logs are mostly used by the support team. Yeah, whenever there is an issue, they basically ask you to give this particular driver log. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.